Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to sign up for KakaoTalk, one of the most popular messaging app for South Korea. Let's jump right into it. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Kakao application. On welcome screen, you will see two options, login and sign up. Tap on sign up to begin creating your account. Here, you need to agree to Kakao terms and conditions. Read through the details and check the box to agree. If there is an option for optional agreements, it's up to you whether to select those. Click on agree and continue. Here, you have to type in your mobile number and make sure to select the country code accordingly. Once you have typed in your number, select OK. Click on OK. KakaoTalk will send you a verification code via SMS. Open your text messages, find the code and enter it into the app. This step ensures your account is linked to your phone number. Tap on check verification. Now, it's time to create your account. Fill in your name, email address and set a strong password. Make sure to remember your password. It's what you use to log in next time. So enter your password, retype it to confirm it, then tap on OK. Here you have to type in your name and tap on OK. Here you have to type in your email address to verify the account, or you can just skip it. Tap on OK. Now Kakao asks you to access your contact. If you want to access your contact, tap on allow or tap on don't allow. And that's it. You are all set up on KakaoTalk. Now you can start messaging, joining group chat and exploring all the features this app has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching and I will catch you in the next one.